I say that a little louder.
Dr. Hector is the best doctor in town. I've gone to her over 20 years. And I'll go to her till the end of my life.
All right, well, your check's in the mail.
I'm gonna go. There we go.
It's been a while because it's hard. In the winter, I can't,
Yep.
Can you imagine yesterday, 68 and today now 30? It's really windy out there.
Yeah.
I felt it.
Well, they were talking about tornadoes.
Well, they did in Zimmerman. It
Mhm.
touched down.
It went right past my friend's neighborhood.
Really?
Whoops.
We haven't had that happen since 1968.
What? Tornado?
Tornado on yesterday's date.
Oh.
You never know what you're gonna get, right?
I heard one time that it had snowed in every month but July in Minnesota.
That's true too.
Yeah.
That's right.
For our viewers, we are in Minnesota.
I would just tell my friend Bonnie that your daughter is from China
Mhm.
because her friend adopted 2 years ago a child from China, and Bonnie went there, I think.
Mhm.
Yeah. She's a friend to all of us. I used to watch her mother in the nursing home. Her mother was the same nursing home my mother was, that's all. But she wanted, extra care, when she was
Mhm.
gone. So I would sit with her, and that's how I got to know her. But she's been wonderful to me.
It's unfortunate that everybody needs an advocate when they're in a nursing home. We won't be using the sound on this, so.
So that wasn't infected or anything?
It's not infected. What you were
Good.
saying was just some skin.
Okay. So it's hard to tell from my own.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to check. My daughter told me it wasn't infected, but I said, I have to check with the doctor. That's the only one I'll believe. My husband, when he was alive, went to Dr. Hector too.
Although I'm back to Sperling. Did you know that?
Oh, Dr. Sperling, pardon me.
No, that's okay.
Okay, then I can call you Dr. Sperling.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I still got the old cards that say that on 'em. Yeah, remember when you got your daughter, now she's in college.
I know. Isn't that crazy?
Is she doing good?
She's doing great.
That's good.
She's already involved with giving tours to
Really?
prospective students. Yeah.
Oh my God. Can you believe it? Oh
Well,
my God.
time does go quickly, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. No, I just come here and go to my doctor.
Well, good. It gets you out of the house.
Dr. Cohen, I saw him February 27th.
Mm-hmm.
I'm on the same
Okay,
day.
we'll go to the other side.
All right.
See, she didn't even do it.
She did what?
Didn't hurt me. She never does. Yeah, this weekend's supposed to snow too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Where are you living now, Joanne? Okay. Is that an assisted living?
No,
You're in independent?
yeah.
But that's not your regular, that's not the house you've always been
No,
in?
no, no, no.
Okay.
Right. It's across, North Memorial Hospice is?
Mm-mm.
Okay. It's right down the road from there. It's on Bass Lake Road,
Mm-hmm.
between Brooklyn Boulevard and 81.
Okay.
Not too far.
No. It's easy to come here. You come here in 10 minutes
Yeah.
if there's a lot of traffic. You still live the same place?
Mhm.
So you're close to,
Yes, very, which is nice.
yeah.
I keep thinking about selling and moving into a smaller condo, but I just haven't had the energy to do it.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
It is a lot of work.
They're real long, aren't they?
They are. I didn't look at the computer carefully before I walked in,
Yeah.
but do you know how long it's been since you were here?
Quite a while. Yeah, in the winter it's just too hard. But I should come like every,
2 or 3 months.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna bet this was 6 months at least.
You think that far?
I
Really?
bet. I'll go look, but I bet it was.
It was in October,
Okay, so that was 6 months.
yeah. October 10th, I think. See, I remembered.
Okay, let me have you turn your foot that way just a little. Perfect. You gonna be able to hold that for a few minutes?
Oh, yeah. No problem, I'm holding on to this.
Okay.
for
So you're on the
balance.
oxygen now full time?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's a pain in the butt. I don't like it either.
Well, you like to breathe?
Yeah,
Then,
but it's no fun when you have a problem with your tank. And
oh.
those things go on. I've been on since May and I've had 3 different tanks.
So do you have one of those things that makes the oxygen?
Yeah,
Okay.
but all of a sudden it'll go haywire. And it did it last week.
Mhm.
I'm writing out my rent thing, my check for the rent, and all of a sudden, boo! It's louder than a,
So an alarm goes off.
Yeah, it's louder than your smoke alarm thing. So then I
Scares ya.
called and he said, corner medical, oh, I hear it. He says, shut it off. I shut it off, the thing machine wouldn't shut off. I thought, oh my gosh. And he says, I think you better unplug it. I said, well, am I gonna blow up or what? He laughed. Well, I unplugged it, then it shut off. But it's supposed to shut off when you shut your switch off. But
Mhm.
he says, I'll send somebody out ASAP. You know how long it took? 4 hours. I called back in 2 hours. Oh yeah, they're gonna be there soon. I said, you told me that. 2 hours.
You're not breathing for 2 hours. That'll get you, huh?
Yeah, but I could use the backup one, but I didn't turn it on. Then the backup ones used to be you could fill them if they were half full. Now you can just fill them when they're empty. So you gotta take all the air out, let all the air out, oxygen out, and then fill to go. That's what I don't like. I don't mind wearing it, doctor.
Mm-hmm.
It's all this other business. you
That
know.
goes with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I guess in case of a power failure, you'd have a backup, wouldn't you?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, then I'd have to use it. But then the complex knows who's on auction
Mm-hmm.
and Excel, all they have to know is call Excel. And it'd be the first one, you know.
Well, so the people in your building like you, because then you're the first one to get your power back.
It should be. Well, there's just 6 to a building.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like a townhouse, because you got 6 units to a building.
That's nice.
But it's nice. I just got somebody across the hall, but your hallway split, so there's 3 on one side, 3 on the other. So no, there isn't that much noise. I like it. And they're all nice to me, everybody, I have no problem with anybody. And the office mates and everything. Everybody's nice. If I need a repair, I call them and they're there. They're good, yeah. Told the manager that yesterday, she was out to see me. I said, I cannot complain about anything. Yeah. And they said, well, you're a good tenant. Now, is this something new?
This is just gonna thin everything out. Smooth it out.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
They were just so thick today. Everything here looks good.
Yeah.